I've had a bit of a disaster with my jumper, this jumper here. I put it in a 30-degree wash. It should have been in a delicates wash, because actually it's not machine washable, and it really has shrunk a lot, and it's gone like felted. I quite like the design, so I was sort of thinking, oh, that's really annoying. What can I do? Can I do anything at all? And I thought, hang on a sec, let's have a challenge. Let's see if in like 5-10 minutes I can make a shopping bag out of this old jumper. So I think first up I'll cut the arms off, and let's just take them down, doesn't really matter where. This is a bit of sort of like bulk reduction. I'm doing this quick, it may not work, but I'm committed now. So I've got 2 arms. I'm hoping I can make those into sort of like something like a handle. But look, you can see how much it's shrunk. If I put that up there, it's really shrunk. And then what I'm sort of thinking is I can hopefully just turn this neck in. Because it's so matted, I don't think it's going to throw all that much. So I think I'll go straight across here. Top bit off. Got a bit of underarm bulkage there, which I don't think I particularly want in each case, but I will now turn it inside out. And I will get on the machine and start giving it a quick machine up. And I think I'll just literally go like a curve coming around. So I'll trim this a tad more, I think. Right, so on the machine. And let's just sew around this lower part here. So this is putting like the base into the bag. I'll go forward a bit, I'll then run back a bit, get a nice good bit of stitching in there, and around we go. So I'm using an industrial cylinder arm machine here. I believe it's a clone of something like a FAF 335. I may have the number wrong there, but something like that, 355. But it's a fairly standard middleweight industrial machine. This particular one was supplied by Tyso Industrial Sewing at Southall. It's very good, I'm very pleased with it. Right, whoops, needle up. So that's my base done. I'm now going to turn the rib in, because I don't particularly want it on show, and also I think it will give a bit more bulk for the handles. Now this is obviously where a cylinder arm is quite helpful, because I'm obviously constructing a bag, believe it or not, and the cylinder arm for the top of a bag, sewing around the bag, really is an ideal tool for the job. You can do it on a flatbed, but it's just a bit more tricky. I think if I only had to have one machine, I would, not a flatbed or cylinder arm, if I had to make the choice of just one, I would probably go with a cylinder arm. Now, this is all a bit rough, but hey, this is quick. Now, handle wise, I'm going to try folding this. So I've got a sleeve, I'm going to cut it broadly down its seam. I will then trim it and roll it. So I'm just going down the inner seam. That gives me a nice long length of fabric. Next of all, I'm just going to even it up a bit. So I can probably do this with a rotary cutter and it'll be even quicker. That's that one. Same thing this side. Hope this works. Yeah, but that gives me quite a nice long length, and it's all sort of parallel. I think I will just even up the lengths in each case so that they are similar in end length there. So I think I will be bold and just cut them there and hope I've got enough to still form the handle. Bit reckless. Blink. Done. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fold these in on themselves. I ought to be pinning this, shouldn't I really? I dread to think if any of you are dressmakers who are watching, or proper sewing people, you'll be having very horrified. Yeah, still makes a handle, and that will be enough for me to secure it. So I'm just going to put this on the machine. I'm doing this quick style. I'm not going to pin it. I'm just going to go for it. How did I do that again? Right, folding, folding from each side, and then fold it in on itself. Boom, boom. Right, on the machine. Have to try and manipulate the whole thing under the foot. It being sort of bouncy jumper, it tries to walk off. That's better. So that's like one handle. I'll probably give that another line of machining because I don't totally trust my rather dubious ability there. So let's try and get it better this time round. So I'm just whizzing it down the other side. Right, so I've machined up 2 rough handles. All I'm going to do now is sew them to the bag itself. So on the inside. I think it's just a matter of going backwards and forwards. I'm having to pull it a little bit to get it through. Got a nice bit of stitching there. And there you have it. One bag made out of an old jumper. But there you are. I've just filled my bag as well, just to show, and it's very comfortable to hold. So I can use that when I go and get the groceries now. Slightly nuts, but hey, it's a bit of fun. Reminds me of an old Victorian carpet bag. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that little bit of a diversion. And now back to some more serious, carefully prepared leather work. Okay then, bye bye.